When is Mofokeng leaving? Aye. Now, they were also tired of Mofokeng, man. Aye. You know, Real Madrid, we have a player here in South Africa called Relebile Mofokeng. Please take him. Because enough, we've seen him enough now. Every single game we have to watch of this team, Orlando Pirates, and Mofokeng's on the pitch, he gets an assist. So please, guys, come take this player, let him go play in La Liga, because yeah, that's where he must play. We've seen enough of him. We are tired of him. Because hey, now Pirates is number 1 on the log. Pirates is number 1 on the log, but they're still not taking the league. It doesn't matter. You're just keeping the seat warm for Mamelodi Sundowns. So keep the seat warm for Sundowns to come and take their rightful place. Mbogazi, awa. I keep telling you guys, Mbogazi is not 19. Mbogazi sent somebody to hospital. No, Mbogazi. By just simply kicking the ball, he sent someone to hospital. The guy fell out cold from Mbogazi. He is not 19 years old. We need a birth certificate. Mbogazi Buma 27 years old. 28, somewhere there. 27, 28. Because no 19-year-old has a boot that hard. Oh, what? The guy, he cold. The ball hit him. Sleep. Straight. So Mbogazi, please, he must also leave. Chicago Fire, please hurry and transfer the money. Do the EFT or e-wallet. I don't know what you use. In South Africa, we use Woolworths bags. That's what we use to carry money. So please, do the transfer so Mbogazi can also leave, because we are not safe when this guy is still playing in the Betway Premiership. No one is safe while Mbogazi is still here. So yeah, it's not a good weekend so far. Kaizer Chiefs draw, Pirates win, go top of the log. Let me just watch Rugby Springboks now, which are playing right now. They're leading 14-0. Maybe they're the only team that can make me happy now, because yet again, Orlando Pirates show up, another team starts twerking.
Sena ndabane Pirates thina sihleli phezulu zajika izinto kunjani makunje. We are very excitement. Orlando Pirates is doing extra large. We are the log leaders. We are leadership. We are leading the ship. Yo, I'm going to phone a case at Durban City. Hello, sisi. Ngicela the office at Durban City ezo. Oh, mistake, sisi, mistake. Eish, benifuna iDurban City, ayizizo zezantoni. Zeze Chiefs. We are leading the ship. We are the leadership. Log leaders. Sorry. No, sis, there's a mistake. And you know, the flu. On the flu, sometimes the numbers I was born. No, sis, it's all man. And the case, man, when fully tap and sitting yan. Yes, we are to Drum. Lower Pirates. Yes, le number 1 we lock. Ingena happy leyo. Yangena is entered. We are very excited. Chonga sis, now that send fumene wena man. Send fumene nina besicela man nikhawuleze nibuye kule nto yenu yalo khefu yomdubulo enidlala kuyo. Ndiyeva kuthiwa noyisakala nowina phaya. Nidlala i-draw phaya. Besicela nikhawuleze nibuye man nizosiculela njengenkokheli zenu. Sicela nizosiculela le ngoma. Khumbula la ngoma mina niyiculwa nisithi nina ha sena ndabane Pirates. Yakhumbula ne? Sicela niyiculwe ngoku niculela thina nithi ha sena ndabane Sundowns ne Chiefs thina sihleli phezulu. Usakhona udropile. We are very excitement. We are the log leaders. We are leading the ship. We are the leadership. Yo.
Awu asina ndaba nePirates ethina sihleli phezulu. Hawu bapakane sekukhona ingoma manje eza-release umuthi uyangena manje ku-Spotify awusatholakali yabona izinto mazime kanje kabuyela amasandawana ayikho into engayichaza 12 games 7 wins 9 wins 28 points 25 points ngasho ngathi into enibeka number 1 ama-games number of games kunjani mekunje we are not inside we are on top yayizwa leyo nto wo acha nje up the bucks imnyama lento ngendlela right ngendlela engahluphi pain landed to those who are suffering lapha kwi baby calf babodwa hey akuma draw hey back to drawing board FC
iqiniso lihle Orlando Pirates didn't play the best game namhlanje and namhlanje ibhakani yadlala kamnandi at all. But the one thing you can give credit to Orlando Pirates is that whenever they get desperate to win, whenever they want to win, they will win. Whenever they want to win, they will win. And they will win in impressive fashion. The bench, the Orlando Pirates is fire. Machidanga Pirates, they're fire. Why? It's because they want to play, bonke. I mean, I don't know mhlawumbe ukuthi silibona ngokufana idisk or what, but I didn't see Tito playing the best football. However, Tito at least came with the goal. He at least came with the goal, and I'm super excited. I'm super excited to see Tito, having a goal as a confidence booster. But it gave me yonyaka bafethu kubethwe iPremiership. I feel like Orlando Pirates mhlambe mina bengathanda mina bangafaka kuma 4 or 5 goals. It was not going to be easy at all. But putting those goals would put a stamp on us as Orlando Pirates supporters and us as Orlando Pirates. Uthi njengoba sihleli lapha naphezulu asihlalisanga nje ukudlala. Sihleli siyasebenza lapha phezulu. It's time. 14 years is too long. It's time.
Should I say something, Buffett? Should I say something? Because manje, I'm speechless. Today marked the last game for Orlando Pirates with a victory 2-0. They should start calling us 2-0 FC because manje, I just want to talk about. Before I'm gonna talk about my thoughts about the game. But before I start with my thoughts, let's talk about the collapse because on the 1st of December, Hugo Broos also announced his final squad, and I'm looking at this and I'm saying this man right here, Utito will be called up, Umfuke will be called up, or Umuremi, wanna say see. Even Usipumbul doesn't even need to play because he already knows Okone is squad in. Man, or policy. He doesn't need even to score or assist because he knows that he's in the squad. This squad that is going to Kev. But as Colombian game, before I talk about the game, Tutu haven't won their first Kev game, so I just want to remind you that. But I see again. But let's talk about the game. And yeah. A goalkeeper yabo bathi goalkeeper like Chiefs needs to be on Bafana. The guy's been scored so many times. Usipochene 2 games they haven't scored him. He's been doing some crazy save. So again, Usipochene is going to be called up. Loam Tutu, we are Salala South Africa. Uzibuga TV low. But let's talk about the game, Buffett. So I'm very happy for my boys, Buffett. This game, yes, Durban City was throwing all hands, Buffett. They were defending. And I can tell you on the first half, it could have been a draw 1-1 or 2-1 because the chances that Durban City had, Buffett, I was even at the edge of the seat, and there was this game miscommunication between Umbazi. I don't know what he was doing. He almost cost the game, but again, Mbogazi, he's still our important and asset for this game. Of this team. But again, I loved how he played. It was amazing. But let's talk about the goal scorers. Number 1, Ungwana Sesi, that is Makgopa. Makgopa is reminding everyone that he is still the best striker that South Africa has, Buffett. He is still the best striker that South Africa has, Buffett. And he is still going to go and qualify to the squad. No matter where KF Cup or World Cup, Ungwana Sesi, we are humble, both of them. Let's go to Tito, Buffett. Tito reminded everyone, listen, I am the number 10 on Jelly Logo. I am number 10. I play the 10 or I wear the 10. In jar. Full stop. That's all. Umfuking doesn't need goals, Buffett. That boy is the king of assists. Umfuking is the king of assists. Well, one of those award for best assists yeah, Mfukeng Buffett. That boy knows how to assist Buffett. Do you see that assist from he crossed to own twin? Oh, Wana says, Buffett, not Mahopa, but Utito. When he was talking on the interview, Arjela, I'd say, hey, why did you take that chance? But you know what? Sometimes if you don't see the shot or anything, don't be selfish. Don't be selfish. Cross or pass and let the other player score. If that player score, it doesn't mean that he won the team. He won the game. No, the team won the game. That's what. Ha! But again, Buffett, the game, I love it, Buffett. I love the substitution. I love everything. Coach Wadu Buffett, he's still going to remind us a lot. And right now, even in his after match interview, Mamjal Bate, how do you feel about the game? I said, listen, I'm not concerned about this game because I knew we were going to win. Right now, I'm concerned about one game. That is that game, the final. He knows good. It's even in here. He even knows good. Here's in Labantula. These fans, they're here because of one thing. They're here for only one thing, and that is final. Say Funale Cup and say yes. Abaye, they're still struggling to get their first win at Cape Batina. Say yes for that cup. But Uadu, I don't know. As I tell you right now, Uadu will be better than Jose. But again, I love how this, and I'm proud of it because now. Sanos on Wednesday, that's how we heard things, the news. But Sanos is playing at midweek. But again, it doesn't matter how long we'll be sitting on top. At least we're reminding people that if Santos play, there will still be one game ahead of us. That means we still have an advantage of a game or one game in hand.
Yeah.
But again, I'm happy. I love the game and everything was perfect. They named 12 to 9 players, 9 to 12 players in the squad. And I'm praying good to Tate one game because they are perfect. But Hugo Bruce also Tata 9 or 7. But again, this game was perfect. This game reminded everyone good to listen. Right now, as I told you, it's the appetizer. Next year, when we start a second half season, we're feeding. Buffett is in America.
Okay, bafethu that's it for the video yanamhlanje. Orlando Pirates vs Durban City. Video my last video, Pirates ngithe I hate it when teams play low block against the Pirates because it makes it hard for us to score. Angazi ubani othi Durban City ukuthi lento engiyishilo because namhlanje they came out guns blazing. I was like, hayibo bengidlala bafethu. Those first 15 minutes or 20, bro, I was like, come on, dog. We couldn't get the ball. Like, it just kept the ball up and I was like, wait, and that's the thing about having not even brilliant players. Like, I'm a star players like Abumfuking, bro. A goal came out of nowhere. I was not expecting a goal lapa. It's a goal because of Mfukeng, dog. So yeah, I appreciate that guy Mfukeng. And any bro, what makes Mfukeng stand out or what makes Mfukeng better than Nkotha is the lack of selfish, bro. Last season, I don't know how many of us complained on Nkotha because Nkotha is selfish. We complained about Nkotha just pass the ball to the player next to you, bro. Nkotha couldn't do that, but then okay, now I'm not, bro. But Mfukeng, bro, that guy just knows what. And Kona le pass le Aisha ile pese apaselo Mbutuma lapha in the second half. Le pass I received it from Mukabel. I was like, bruh, you just like Bamule to Villa was shy, bruh. But then if Opasom Mbutuma couldn't convert. But Lapana, bruh, if he just went for the shot, it was a goal, bruh. It was a goal, but then you can't fault Mfukeng for anything I end up. You're getting some Mfukeng, bruh, into him. You can't tell me otherwise. You face on the Pirates there. And I don't know how I'll feel if you lose about Mfukeng and you lose about Mbogazi. Hey, kusazobanzima Pirates, bro. Kusazobanzima. But talking about going into the game, I came bafethu. Ngathi ngeke. It can be right in face. It wasn't bad, dog. We scored 2 goals. We won on top of the league. So I'm complaining kakhulu, but since we last game of the season, since we last game of the year, we were expecting with some time Pirates were gonna go to the bank because under Rivero Bosas, with under Rivero could score 7 or 5 goals more with the team lashili. But I guess Team City being a lashanga again. But do you guys think we to Jose
is better than Wadu, or do you think Wadu is better than Jose? Mina ngisho lutho, bruh. I love them both. I think they are both doing like they're simple, they're spiny. But I would just like to know my opinions in which one. What do you think? Who's better? And ili people are all prefer, because I don't think there's much differences. It's still fun, but you can see like Wadu, Wadu, bruh.